Hello, I've written a small application on trip calculator and I'll be explaining the same. I'll go through the code first. It'll welcome you with welcome statements. Then I've defined a variable called nights where the user can input the number of nights they want to stay. And I've defined a function called hotel cost with variable nights, which basically returns 140 into number of nights the user has inputted. Then after that, I've made a list called city with multiple cities. Then the code will ask to choose from the city, which city. Then I've defined another variable called city for the user to input which city they want to go to. And I've defined another function called plain right cost where I've used the variable city. And in this function I've used different if else statements. Say for example, if city is Charlotte, the value returned will be $183. That is $183 is the plane ride to Charlotte. Then the code is gonna prompt the user how many days do you need the rental car for. I've defined a variable called days and I've put int input where the user can input integers, number of days basically. And I've defined a rental car cost function with days as variable. This basically in this function the cost calculation happens where the inputted number of days by the user into $40, that's the minimum base. And I've used if else conditions as well here. If the user use the car more than 7 days or 7 days, he gets a discount of $50. And same thing here. Then the code prompts the user for other costs, any miscellaneous costs. I've defined a variable called spending money here, and with int input the user can input whatever integer they would like to. Finally, the user gets a result saying trip cost of whatever string they inputted here in city, which is being called, and integer the number of days from the days input which the user input. And same goes for dollars from spending money, that is here where the user has inputted. And I've defined one more function called trip cost where all the above functions have been added, and I've called the function. Finally, I'll just run this code once. So how long 4 nights, say for example, and say I want to go to Chicago. How many days need the car? Say for 4 days I need the car, and other cost would be $400. So it's coming up to $920. So see, as you can see, trip cost of Chicago with 4 days of car rental and $400 of other cost is $920. That's it. Thank you.